Well, it's a beautiful morning here in Bangkok, middle of June, and the year is 2020, and it's very pretty. The sky is blue. I wonder if anybody's counting all the lives saved from lack of smog during this COVID virus thing. Anyway, it's nice, and it's a condo. It's nice. It's a nice place here. The one thing it lacks, of course, is room for fruit trees. So, garden-wise, I do my best I can with a bunch of little pots here outside our bedroom window, and on the railing here, I have some. I don't know if the light will be good to see it, but there's some cucumber vines coming along, and over here closer to the apartment, there's some flowers. This purple here is called lantana. Lantana is a great tropical flower. It usually has multiple colored flowers, and they change colors even while they're flowering. This is two different plants. One of them is yellow, and it has two different hues in it. These cucumbers are going to be, lemon cucumbers, which are round. They look like a lemon, a large lemon, but they're very sweet and delicious. Here in this black pot, there's some peppers growing, some peppers out of a bell pepper, and these leaves right here with the red stems, those are beets. I love beet greens and beet stalks, as well as the beets themselves, and you can just plant them just by cutting up the beetroot and planting it. If you cut it in half, plant the cut face down, and if you plant chunks, just plant it any way you want. I see I have some small ones coming up over here too. Love beets. They won't be small once it gets going. Anyway, past the lantana, I have Swiss chard here, right in the center there. That's Swiss chard, and there's more over here. You eat the stalks and the leaves. It tastes like spinach, only it doesn't cook up like spinach. If you make a pot full of this, it comes out a pot full when it's cooked too. Some other plants in there somewhere I can't see to show you. There's some bigger Swiss chard over here. That's ready. I think maybe I'll cut that later today. It's a couple days worth. Actually, I cook the rest. I boil the bottoms, the stems. They're crunchy, and I eat them like asparagus, like dip with mayonnaise and salt. And then tops I saute or steam. And there's other stuff there. There's some more beets behind it coming up. Some leeks. Anything like green onions or leeks or onions, you can always plant it after you cut it down to the white part, and then grow some more. There's beet greens, and those are about ready too there. Again, not planted from seeds, but just from planting cut beets. I also have some flowers here, and I forget the name of this one. It's Tropical Beauty. These will love these things. Just absolutely love them. Yeah, get the focus on there. Let's see. I'm not quite sure yet how to use this camera, this phone camera. Anyway, so that's what I have, and I have for when I have things that need to climb, like Pakbun, or what's also called Cancun. I have these poles that climb up on, at least up and get up, and need the rest of the things to get sun until I can get over here and climb on the railing. So that's my garden chore today. I have to go water and do a little weeding there and stuff like that. But it's pretty around here. And I hope you're doing well where you are. This is Dan from Bangkok, June 2020.